Houses in the US are commonly built using combustible materials. And once a fire ignites in their proximity, it becomes very difficult to avoid severe damage or complete destruction of the house. In order to build wildfire-resilient houses, we need to understand how and why houses burn. In terms of fire ignition, houses can be attacked by wildfires through three main mechanisms. The first mechanism is direct contact with flames, generally produced by surface fires, which reach flammable or combustible materials close to a house. Flammable materials are those that ignite easily at ambient temperature, such as dry grass, leaves, and needles. Combustible materials are those that require some effort to ignite, but are capable of burning, such as firewood and outdoor furniture. This direct contact mechanism affects the immediate surrounding of the house and can be mitigated by ensuring a 5 feet clear defensible space around the house. The second ignition mechanism is heat radiation, generally produced by crown fires, which transfer radiant heat to other objects through the air. If a house is subject to enough radiant heat for a sufficient time, it will ignite even if flames are not in direct contact with the house. Another typical effect of radiant heat is damage to the glass in windows, which then allows wind-blowing embers to enter the house. In this case, a properly landscaped defensible space of 100 feet around the house generally provides a sufficient protection from ignition. The third ignition mechanism is the most insidious one: ember attack due to wind-driven firebrands. These embers can accumulate on the roof, in crevices, in the space between the walls and the foundations. They can go through vents, door frames, and other openings. Fundamentally, firebrands will find the weakest spot in a house envelope, will penetrate inside the house, and will burn it from the inside. In addition to a properly maintained defensible space, the best approach to mitigate ember attack is home hardening. Chapter 7A of the California Building Code provides prescriptive guidance on how to increase the resilience of houses and buildings to wildfires.